Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
All of you open exercise 2.4, optional exercise. Open exercise 2.4. In this exercise, we will discuss cubic polynomials. Read first question. All of you read first question.
Hey, can you able to hear, Ra?
Yes, sir.
All of you read the first question. See, this is actually in this we'll discuss
Cubic polynomials.
cubic polynomials. Understanding means which is having a degree of 3. So now, all of you write the first question and subdivision 1 you start doing.
Read the statement. Verify that the numbers given alongside of your cubic polynomials below are their zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and quotients in each case. What is given? Given data. Here given one cubic polynomial and 3 numbers. Correct? Here we have to verify these numbers are zeros of given polynomial or not. Is it clear? Here given one polynomial function and 3 numbers. Here we have to verify given numbers are zeros of the polynomial or not. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How to verify?
Ma'am, first we want in the P of X, X value, we should put all the zeros, ma'am.
Instead of x, we substitute these numbers. If may get 0, so that number is the one of the zero of given polynomial. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's verify the relation. What is our P of x?
All of you read P of
Let
X.
P of x equal to given polynomial. What is our P of x?
2x cube plus x
2x
square
cube plus
minus
x
5x plus 2
2x cube
plus x square plus
Plus
x square
plus x square
minus 5x
minus 5x
plus 2.
plus 2. Given numbers
1 by 2,
1 by 2,
1
1,
1
minus 2.
minus 2. Okay, let's verify. Instead of x, we substitute 1 by 2. If may get 0, entire polynomial equal to 0, that number is one of the zero of given polynomial.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
In place of x, we substitute 1 by 2.
P of 1 by 2.
P of 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 in place of x 1 by 2 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2. Next 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube. What is answer? 1 by 2 whole cube.
2 into 1 by 8.
2 into 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 whole square.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Everybody speak, yeah.
5 into 1 minus 5 into 1.
Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2.
Fine. Denominator we have 2. Next term
Plus
2.
2.
Correct?
Hmm.
Next. 2 into 1 2. This is 2 by 8.
2 by 8
1 by 4
plus 1
minus 5
minus
by
4 by 2
plus 2. Take
plus 2.
LCM.
8. 8 is the LCM, ma'am.
What is LCM?
8.
LCM 2, 4,
Eight, ma'am.
2,
Ma'am, we can cancel 2 and 8, no, ma'am?
You can get cancelled, that is also. That is also you can do
Okay.
it.
2 ones are 2 fours are. Okay, this is 1 by 4. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What is LCM? 2 and 4. LCM is 4, correct?
4. 4.
1
No.
into 4. How many times to get 4? 1 time.
1.
Next, 1 into 4.
Plus
How many
1
times
into
to
4.
1 time?
1 into 1. 1 into
Next,
1.
5. Minus 5, correct?
Into 2. Into 2.
Next,
Plus 2 into 4.
into denominator 1.
4.
1, how many times to get 4? 4 times. Is it clear to everyone? Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Next. 1 into 1. 1.
1.
1 into 1. 1.
Plus 1. Minus 10.
5 into 2.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. 2 fours.
38.
Plus 8.
Plus 8.
Add positive values. 8 plus 1. 9. 9 plus 1. 10.
10 minus 10.
10 minus 10 by 4.
Yes, ma'am. 0
Equal
by
to
4,
0.
0 by 4.
which is equal to 0.
0.
0 only.
0.
So here polynomial. Entire
Ma'am,
polynomial.
but I got 0, but in different values I got, ma'am.
That is wrong.
Ma'am, but 0 only I got at last, ma'am. 0 by 2 is equal to 0.
Okay.
Okay.
But you may check it, but 2 how it will come? Maybe 4 or 8 will come LCM. 2 won't come.
Sir, I minus 4. I cancelled many things and I wrote, sir.
Where there is
Where
no
you
possibility to cancel.
Here
How you will
only
get
one
cancelled?
possibility. 2 by
Only
8.
one possibility. How you will get cancelled? Remind.
Sir, I got, but minus 4 by 2 plus 2 I got, sir.
You just check it somewhere it is. Getting answer is not matter. Steps also should be correct. That is verify. Okay, that is what. So we can say that 1 by 2 is one of the polynomial of given p of x. Correct or not?
P of 1 by 2. Here P of 1 by 2 equal to 0. So 1 by 2 is the one of the solution of given polynomial function. So it is 1 by 2 is the one of the 0 of given polynomial. Is it clear?
Anybody having doubt? You ask
Do you
Arvind, Nitinath, Arya,
Tarani Pushpa.
Karthikeyan. So I can say that 1 by 2 is one of the 0 of the polynomial. Is it yes or no? Yeah, like that remaining 2 polynomials, remaining 2 zeros you verify. What is the remaining 2 zeros?
1 and minus 2.
1 and minus 2. So next you substitute. In place of x, you substitute 1. All of you substitute now. Next for, write it.
P of 1.
Substitute it, all of you write it. Say the equation p of x.
P of x.
2x cube.
2x cube plus x square. 2x cube plus x
2x cube
square.
plus x square minus 5x plus 2.
Minus
In
5.
place of x, you substitute 1.
We want to place that value of sir.
What?
Sir, for x, 2x, for x value, we want to add the x
Yeah,
value.
actually, Karthikeyan, they have given three zeros correct. So
Three
either the 3 zeros are the means that the 3 numbers are the polynomials or the zeros of the polynomial not, we have to verify. So when we can verify if it is coming equals to 0, we can say that it is one of the 0 of the polynomial. If not equals to 0, we can say it is not a 0 of the polynomial.
It is
That's
like a
all.
quadratic polynomial. Before we
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now you verify 1. You place 1.
in place of x, you substitute 1. 1 square minus
1
5
square.
into 1 plus 2. What is answer?
Into 1, ma'am. Plus 2.
2 into 1 cube is
Ma'am,
2
2,
into
ma'am.
2. 1 cube is 1. 2 into 1, 2. 1 square is 1.
1 ma'am.
1, ma'am.
5 into 1,
Minus
minus 5.
5 into 5. 5 into 1,
First
5,
add positive
5.
values. First add positive values. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2,
3.
5.
3, ma'am.
5.
5,
5
ma'am.
minus
5 minus 5,
Plus 5 minus 5 cancel, ma'am. 0, ma'am.
0.
So
Good.
that is why I can say
P of 1
1 is
equal to
also
0.
the one of the 0 of the polynomial.
Here
Correct or
one
not?
is one of the solution of given
This
polynomial.
polynomial, sir.
That's all.
So one
now-
is the one of the 0 of given polynomial. Do you understand?
Pranav, Tarni Pushpa, Akshaya,
Ma'am.
that is. So solve it now. Instead of 1, you have to verify now. 2 also. Minus 2 you verify, all of you. Same given polynomial, you have to keep the minus 2 and you verify either it is a 0 of the given polynomial or not. You verify, all of you. So we have to keep minus 2 instead of x. All of you do it.
Yes, sir. It is a 0, sir.
Yes, sir. It is a 0, sir.
Solve it, solve it.
2 into, instead of x, we substitute minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube plus minus 2 whole square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 cube minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4.
Speak here, you don't know that.
Minus into minus
Minus into minus how much?
Plus
Plus.
5 2s are 10.
10.
Plus
10.
2.
10 plus 2.
First, 2
Minus
into
16
minus 16 plus 4
plus
plus
16
4
plus 2.
plus 10 plus 2.
First add positive values. Positive digits.
minus 16 plus 16.
4 plus 10.
14.
14 plus 2, 16. Plus 16, minus 16 get cancelled, which is equal to 2. P of minus 2 equal to 0. So, minus 2 is the one of the 0 of given polynomial.
So that so 3 numbers are the 3 given numbers are the zeros of the polynomial, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So at last you should write understanding. So we can say that the given 3 numbers are the zeros of the
We can
polynomial. So and also you can verify the question. They are also asking that verify the coefficients and
Here,
numbers relation.
here 3 zeros. What are the 3 zeros? 1 by 2 comma 1 comma minus 2. These 3 are the
Minus
zeros
2.
of given polynomial. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let alpha equal to 1 by 2 and here alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma are the zeros of given cubic polynomial.
So you want to come?
Let alpha equal to 1 by 2, beta equal to 1 and gamma equal to minus 1, minus 2. Is it clear? Here alpha, beta,
Yes, ma'am.
gamma are the zeros of cubic polynomial.
Quadratic means only alpha beta, correct? Ra?
Cubic means 3, alpha, beta, gamma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So now what is the relationship between coefficients and zeros for quadratic polynomial? Can you able to say anybody? What is the relationship between quadratic polynomial? Zeros and coefficients relation, Ra? Last class we have studied, correct?
So sum
Before
of zeros and product of
Sum of
zeros.
zeros and product of
You say
zeros.
that. What is the relation? Can you able to say?
Alpha plus
Quadratic, Ra?
Sum of the zeros
Speak
is
Alpha
louder.
plus beta, alpha
Sum
beta.
of
plus
zeros
beta
and
is equal to
product of
minus
zeros, sir.
Yeah.
Product of
beta
zeros.
equals to
Alpha beta is
minus
Alpha
equal
plus
beta.
beta, alpha beta.
alpha into beta equal to C by A.
Correct or
For
not?
quadratic polynomial.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is for 2. If you have 2 zeros, we have a for relation between the zeros and coefficients is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and next alpha into beta is equals to c by a. That's all. Correct or not?
Comes to cubic polynomials.
I love you.
See this relation.
Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, so now all of you open this. You check in your textbook, page number
32.
32. If suppose if it is a quadratic cubic polynomial, then what is the relation between understanding zeros and coefficients is? This is the thing. See here we have one more zero. So alpha plus beta plus gamma. 3 zeros are there. So what is the first one? First case what there? Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So here also
Alpha plus beta
alpha
plus gamma.
beta plus gamma is equals to what? Alpha plus beta is equals to gamma is equals to what?
Minus b by a.
Minus b by a. Minus b by a.
So that is what? See, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Next, product you check it. Last one. Alpha into beta into gamma, which is equals to what they are saying?
Product of zeros. Minus d by a.
Zeros is
Minus
equals to
b by a.
minus
Minus
b
b
by
by
a.
a.
And middle we have some more thing.
Minus
Product of, understand?
Sum of product
Sum
of
of
zeros.
product of zeros.
Sum and product of two zeros means alpha plus beta, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma
Beta
plus
plus beta into gamma plus gamma into
or
alpha.
gamma into alpha is equals to what they are saying? C by A. Is it yes or no?
C by A.
So
C by
now,
A.
so all of you write this three relation there. Alpha plus beta plus. This is for what? Cubic polynomial. What is this? Cubic polynomial. Do you understand
Cubic
now? So these
polynomial.
things are the relationship between coefficients and zeros of cubic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, just only two zeros are there. That is alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That's all. But here we have one more zero. So that is why these relations will come. So if you want derivation, actually it is not needed now. Derivation, it will come in higher classes. But will you able to remember these three or not? Yes, or no?
sir.
So now all of you write this three. We have to verify that. That is what they are asking. So now you write it
In
here.
question they are asking verify the zeros and quotients.
Not sharing, sir. Not coming, sir. Oh, Karthikeyan, is it not coming screen now? Is it coming or not? Is it screen is coming or not?
Now it is visible.
Now you write.
Yes, sir.
What is the three relations? Write it, all of you.
Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a
B by A.
and product of the zeros. Alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus b by a and sum of product of any two zeros. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha
You say,
equal to what is the relation?
C by A.
C by a.
C by A.
understand? So
Let's
now,
verify.
now you have to verify all of you. So observe very carefully. Alpha is equals to 1 by 2, beta is equals to 1, and gamma equals to minus 2. So you know that. And A, B, C, D values, you check it from the polynomial, given from polynomial. A value is equals to how much, Ra? A value is equals to how much? Coefficients are
A is 2, sir.
A equals to 2,
Two, sir.
B
A is
equals
2,
to 1,
B is 1,
equals to
C is minus 5,
minus 5
D equals
D
to
is 2.
equals to
plus 2.
plus 2.
Plus
So write the values down. Here you write from the given polynomial. A equals to what?
2,
A
2,
equals
sir.
to 2. Right.
B is
Sir.
1,
B
C is
equals to
minus
1.
5, D
C
One.
equals to minus 5
Minus 5.
and D equals to plus 2. Means 2. Correct? So now alpha, beta, gamma values you know. So first alpha, verify sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to how much it is? Minus B by A. So verify is it true or not? Check it, all of you.
What is the alpha value?
You speak.
Alpha value
1 by 2, ma'am.
1 by 2. Beta
1 plus
1
1.
plus 1.
plus minus 2
Gamma value
is equal to
minus 2. Correct? What is B value? B
Minus 1 by
1
Minus 1 by 2.
minus
Minus
A
1 by
value
2.
2.
So now verify, you verify. Madam will do, you verify. Take LCM as a 2. So 2 is the LCM. What will come? 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1.
Denominator 1. Correct? 1 how many times? 2 times to get 2. Minus 2 into in denominator 1. 1 2 times to get 2. It is equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 minus is there minus 4.
4 by 2.
1 plus 2 3. 3 minus
3 minus 4 by 2.
it is
Equals to
So minus 1 by 2
minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2.
is
Equal
equal to minus 1
minus
by
1 by 2.
so is it correct?
LHS is equal to RHS.
True statement. Here we get true statement, correct? Both sides are
Yes,
equal.
ma'am.
LHS equal to RHS.
Yes, ma'am.
One relation is verified. Next relation.
Next relation verify. What is that?
Next relation. Sum of
Sum of products of zeros.
Product of the
zeros.
of
Any two zeros.
Product of 0.
Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to what is the relation? C by A. What is alpha?
C by A.
Alpha. Alpha is 1 by 2, correct? Beta value?
1 ma'am.
1. Next, beta value 1. Gamma value
minus 2
minus 2.
Minus 2.
plus gamma value
Minus 2 ma'am.
Minus 2 into alpha
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is
What
equal
is
to
C
1 by
value?
2.
C value
Everybody speaks.
C value minus
minus 5.
minus 5 ma'am.
Minus 5. What is A? A equal to 2. Correct? C is minus 5. A is 2.
Now you solve, all of you solve and tell, is it verified or not? You tell, madam also will solve down. So take it now, do it.
1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2. Minus
Ma'am,
1.
LCM 2 ma'am.
LCM is 2. 2 to get cancelled. It is minus 1.
So minus 5 by 2. So take LCM as a 2 and start solving. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2.
In denominator we have 1. Correct? 1 how many times to get 2? 2 times. Minus 1 into, in denominator we have 1. 1 how many times? 2 times. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. By 2. Which is equal to minus 5 by 2. 1 minus, add negatives. 4, 2. 4 plus 2, 6, correct? Minus 4, minus 2. It is minus 6. Do you understand?
Have you completed or not?
1
Yes, sir.
minus 5.
So minus 5 by 2, which is equals to minus 5 by 2. So this is also true statement. So we can say that LHS equals to,
RHS.
that's all. So the last one you verify.
Last one.
Products of zeros. Alpha into beta into gamma equals to,
Alpha, beta, gamma equal to
Minus D by
E
A.
minus
minus
A
D
ma'am.
by A.
Minus D by A.
What
Minus
is
D by A.
alpha?
Akshay, are you solving?
Alpha is 1 by 2.
1 by 2
Beta value.
into 1
1. Gamma
into
value.
1
Minus 2.
Minus
into
2.
minus 2.
What is D value? D value. D values. Series
Minus
equation.
2.
D
2
value.
ma'am, 2 ma'am, 2.
2. A value 2. D2,
Two.
A2. Correct? D value 2 and A value 2. 2 to get cancelled, which is equal to minus 1. Correct? Here,
Yes ma'am.
numerator 2, denominator 2 get cancelled.
Minus 2 by 2.
Minus 1. Minus 1 equal to minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Here LHS equal to
Ma'am, we can
RHS. Hence verify the zeros and quotients relations.
So like this we have to verify whenever they are asking cubic polynomial. So either the given zeros are given numbers are zeros of the polynomial or not, and as well as relationship between coefficients and zeros. We have to remember these three relations. What is for quadratic polynomial? What is for
Cubic
cubic
polynomial.
polynomial? Cubic polynomial. These three things you should remember. Quadratic polynomial, alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta equals to c by a. That's all. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is. So like this second part, will you able to solve the second part?
These
Second
relations are very
subdivision.
Yes,
important.
sir.
This relations is even, see, if you go for higher classes everywhere, these relations will definitely will come. So that is the importance of that. Do you understand, Ingra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tarani Pushpa, Yalni. Now, let us go with
Yes, sir.
second subdivision. So second subdivision, you people you solve it. Understanding. So next come to the second question. What is the second question? All of you read. Second subdivision, will you able to solve or not?
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Second subdivision, you people solve and you confirm with the answers. Now, go with the second sum, all of you. Solve it. Read the question first. Dilipan, read the second question.
Read the question. Find a cubic polynomial. Here we have to find the cubic polynomial with the sum and sum of product of its zeros taken 2 at a time. It means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha and product of its zeros.
All of you read the question, Ram.
As 2, minus 7, minus 14 respectively. What is given here? Here we have to find the cubic polynomial.
Yes,
Okay, sum is given. What is the sum? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to how much? 2. And product of the Sum of product of two
-7.
is -7 and product of the zeros alpha into beta into gamma is -14.
Correct. The three relations just what we have studied just now. That is what one equal first one equals
First
to
write
2.
the relations in between zeros and quotients, all of you.
Do you understand, Ra? So with this we have to find the now given polynomial. What is the cubic polynomial? We have to find it. Now what is that relations? Can you able to say, everybody? What is the relationship between coefficients and zeros? What is that? Nobody will say.
Alpha beta plus gamma.
Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a.
That is what. So with that we have to find the given cubic polynomial. So let us see how to find. So reverse case now. So go with that now question. So given first you write the relationship between the
First.
three relations, right, all of you.
Let our cubic polynomial in the form of normal general form of the cubic polynomial. What is the general form of
Yes.
cubic polynomial?
X
Say anyone.
What is
x
the general
x
form?
cube plus 3x square plus cx plus
Ax cube cubic polynomial means degree 3. Ax cube plus bx square plus
3x square
cx
plus
plus
c plus d.
say relations in between zeros and quotients. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to
Minus b by a.
minus b by a and sum of product of any two
Beta
zeros
and gamma.
alpha
Alpha,
beta plus
beta,
beta into gamma
gamma,
gamma
Plus
Plus
alpha
alpha into gamma.
equal to c by a.
C by A.
Next product of the zeros alpha beta
Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus D by A.
what is given sum of the zeros in question? Sum of the zeros
2 ma'am.
2 correct?
Ma'am.
Sum of the zeros 2 equal to minus b by a. In place of alpha plus beta plus gamma we substitute 2. 2 equal to minus b by a.
The same way next you write the second one.
Second one
Second one how much given?
Minus 7.
Minus 7
Minus
is equal to how
7
much?
is
C by
b
A.
by a.
C by A.
Product how much given?
Minus 14 is equal to minus D by A.
Minus 14 equals to minus D by A. Now write these three relations down.
compare the ratios. What is a value?
What is the A value? Find it.
A value 1 now.
See,
One.
all denominators. Nothing will be there means 1, correct? So A equal to 1. Okay. Next, what about B? B equal to. Here minus B equal
Minus
to
2.
Minus D by A. Minus 2.
minus B equal to 2. Then B equal to minus 2.
Minus 2.
Okay. B equal to minus 2. What about C?
3, 7. Minus 7.
Equals to minus 7.
C equal to minus 7. Next, D.
14.
D
B
equal
value.
to minus D equal to minus 14.
14.
Minus minus get cancelled. It is plus
14.
14.
That's
Plus
all.
14.
Okay, what is our cubic polynomial? Required cubic polynomial.
Cube
X cube
minus
minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14.
General form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Instead of a,
substitute.
b, c, we substitute
Our values.
all these
Okay.
values.
So A value 1. So it will become
1
x
into
cube
x cube
X cube
minus 2 into x square. C value minus 7 into x. D value 14. This is
plus
plus
14. Plus 14.
Yeah, that's all. So x cube minus 2x square
2x square
minus 7x
minus
plus 14.
7x plus 14.
So that is what our P of x, required P of x, correct or not?
that's all.
Yes, sir.
That is what they are asking. They are asking us to find what is the given, what is the P of x when they are giving the understanding relationship between coefficients and zeros of the given polynomial. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is very simple actually it is. Do you understand or not, all of you?
Like quadratic
Dilip
polynomials.
Yes. So in even
sir.
this maybe the cubic polynomial won't come, but quadratic polynomial will come in exam that they will give you the relationship between like value of a sum of the coefficients and zeros of the polynomial. So you have to do it. Nitina then saying that ma'am I have done with another method. Okay, Ra. If you have done another method also it is
Another
correct.
method is k into x minus alpha into x minus
something.
beta.
Okay. So now you go with now third question, all of you. Third question, all of you find it.
First read the third sum.
All of you read the third sum. Do you have textbooks correct? Read. Do you want to display the question?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Do you want to display the question, anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah, somebody is wants. Okay, you do it. This is the third question.
If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. This is our polynomial and given zeros. Zeros are cubic polynomial. Zeros alpha, beta, gamma. Correct? Here alpha equal to a minus b and beta equal to a and gamma equal to a plus b. These are the zeros of our given polynomial. Then find the a and b values. How to find a and b values? Say anyone? Based on the relationship in between sum of the zeros and quotients.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try to solve that sum.
Solve all of you. How to find it? Find the now a and b values.
Let p of x equal to given polynomial function x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 and let alpha equal to a minus b and beta equal to a and gamma equal to a plus b. Write the relation zeros and quotients.
Sum of
Sum of the
zeros.
zeros. Sum of
A
the
plus-
zeros.
Alpha, beta plus gamma.
Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a.
Minus
See
b
here,
by a.
our zeros.
Minus b
See our zeros
minus
in the
minus
form
b,
of
ma'am.
small b, small a, correct? Our zeros. Given zeros are small a and small b, correct? So take
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we want to find the zero from her.
small b, little bit confusion, correct? So capital B, capital A you take. Okay? Capital B by capital A. Is it clear? It means general form of the P of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d.
Because here zeros they have given a b values, small a b. So that only we are taking
If you
capital
take
letters.
small a, small b, you
It
get
will
a
give you
little
some
bit
confusion.
confusion.
Is it yes or no? That is why instead of small letters we are taking capital letters, because zeros also they have given in alphabets. That is why. Do you understand, all of you?
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you
Ma'am.
find it.
Sum of the
ma'am,
zeros.
for me one doubt, ma'am.
Wait. Ask. What is your doubt, Ra?
Sir, for a minus b, we can take 1 minus 3, no, sir.
Why 1 minus 3?
That is not.
Ma'am,
This is
because
not
A
a
is
minus b.
cube.
These
This
are-
is not the that is not the coefficient. Right? It is zeros.
See.
It is zero.
Here capital A value. What is our capital A value? Quotient of x cube. A value, capital A value 1, not small a. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
It is the zero, Ra. It is the zero, not the coefficient. Do you understand, Ra?
What is B value? Here B value. Quotient of x square, quotient minus 3. C value? Say anyone, C value.
1.
Quotient of
One.
x,
1.
1. D
One.
value?
B also 1.
1.
1.
Okay. Write the relations.
Sum of zeros.
Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to
Minus b by a.
B by a.
Capital letters you take, because zeros they have given in small letters. That is why we are
What is
taking capital.
alpha?
Alpha value, tell me.
One of the alpha.
A
First
plus a minus b. A
A
minus b plus
is
a
the one
plus
alpha. Beta value
plus a plus
plus a. Gamma. Gamma is
a plus b.
minus a plus b, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What about b?
Minus of minus 3.
Yes. Minus
Others you say, speak Yalini, Dilipan.
A value. A value is 1.
1.
Do you understand? Any doubt, ask me.
Solve it.
Simplify this expression. A minus b plus a plus b. Remove the brackets. Here minus b plus b get cancelled.
B cancel.
How many a? A plus
A.
a plus a. A, not a cube.
Is equal to 3.
2 minus plus 3a equal to plus 3. A equal to
A is equal to 1.
3 by 3. It is 1. Here
A
is a value plus 1.
Understand, Akshaya, Nalini? So A value we have found. Correct, Ra?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now go for next.
Next
B value.
relation.
Product of zeros.
Product of zeros are sum of the product of any two zeros.
So what are you want to take it?
Product of zeros, ma'am.
Product of the zeros alpha, beta, gamma equal to minus d by a. Correct? Capital D,
Yes, ma'am.
capital A. What is alpha? A minus b. Beta is a. Gamma a plus b. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
D value. D
One.
value.
Minus 1.
D value 1.
1 plus 1. Plus 1 or minus 1?
But minus D only, no, ma'am.
Here this is my plus 1.
Plus 1. D value plus 1. Minus of D value plus 1. A value? A.
A value how much, Ra? 1
One.
only, correct? 1. Do it.
A
One,
value
sir.
1.
1. So now you do it. Product you do it, all of you.
See, A minus B into A plus B, correct? A plus B into A minus B.
What is the formula? A plus B into A minus B. Algebraic expression.
Yesterday
A plus
we
B
used
into A
A
minus B.
square.
Yesterday we have used that relation.
Identity. A square minus B square, correct?
A square
A
minus
square minus B square.
A square minus B square
Into
A
A.
equal to minus 1. We already know A value, correct?
A value how much, Ra?
We already found A value. How much?
1, ma'am. 1.
1. In
Ma'am.
place of A, substitute 1. 1 square minus B square into 1
square into 1
equal to
is
minus
equal to
1.
minus
Is it
1.
clear? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
1 square is
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
1 minus B
Yes,
square
ma'am.
into 1. Anything into 1 is anything, correct? Which is equal to minus 1. Minus
Minus
B
1.
square equal to plus 1 comes to this side. It will become minus, correct?
minus 1.
Minus 1, minus 1. Minus B square equal
Minus
to
2.
minus
Minus
2.
Minus 2.
Minus get cancelled.
Cancel it. B square
Removing the square. Removing the square. B equal to
B is equal to root plus or minus root 2.
plus or minus root 2. Here we get D value plus or minus root 2. A value 1. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
So they are asking now A minus B. That is sum of they are asking. Check it. So A equals to 1 and B equals to plus or minus root 2. That's all they are asking in the question. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
So that's all. Have you got the same answer? All of you verify. They are asking only what is the value of A and what is the value of B. That's all. So A
Anyone
is
having
equals
any
to
doubt,
1
ask me.
and B equals to plus or minus root 2. Is there any doubt? Anybody? Please ask. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Have you solved?
Yes, sir.
Now if you solve next fourth question, you check it. Fourth question had exactly similar question which we have solved in yesterday. So you check it. Yesterday third sum we have solved the same question it is. Please kindly check it, all of you. If two zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138